Hey folks, imagine this. You're over 60, staring at the mirror, wondering where your get up and go got up and went, and then, poof, some sneaky grain sneaks into your kitchen and turns you into a muscle machine. Sounds like a bad infomercial, right? Well, hold on to your walkers because today we're diving into grains that actually fight back against that pesky muscle fade called sarcopenia. No capes required, just a spoon. Stick around because by the end, you'll know which one could rebuild your strength faster than you can say, bingo night. Here's the thing. After 60, muscles don't just vanish because time's a thief. Nope. It's often because we're missing the right fuel. And trust me, it's not those fancy protein shakes or gym marathons. It's ancient grains, simple, powerful stuff that's been around forever. Science is finally catching up, showing how these can flip the switch on muscle loss, boost protein building by up to 40%, and even mimic a workout without lifting a finger. Today, I'll rank 8 of them, from good to game changer. Number 3. It's a shocker. It rebuilds fast, but cook it wrong, and you're back to square one. Oh, and if you're loving this kind of straight talk health advice, hit that subscribe button. It keeps us going, and I'd love to have you in the community. Let's kick off with number 8. Buckwheat. Don't let the name fool you. It's not wheat at all. Totally gluten-free and packed with all 9 essential amino acids. That's rare for a grain. Think lysine and leucine. They kickstart muscle repair like nobody's business. A study from the Mayo Clinic backs this. Older adults eating buckwheat daily saw a 19% muscle gain in 8 weeks. Impressive, huh? Take my friend Tom, for instance. He's 72, a retired mechanic who used to haul engines like they were toys. But lately, carrying groceries left him wobbly. His granddaughter, a nutrition whiz, suggested buckwheat porridge 3 times a week. Simple stuff with a dash of cinnamon. 3 weeks in, his legs felt alive again. By month 2, he was up ladders, cleaning gutters, no shakes. Feels like I'm 50, he told me. Relatable? Absolutely. Buckwheat also amps up circulation with rutin, steadies blood sugar, and eases digestion. Mix it in soups or as a side. Easy peasy. Moving up to 7, oats. Ah, good old oats. Not just for breakfast anymore. They release energy, slow and steady. No crashes that zap your strength. Loaded with beta-glucan fiber, which the Harvard School of Public Health says lowers cholesterol and boosts heart health. Pair them with yogurt and boom, solid protein punch. Research from the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging, tied to WHO guidelines, shows seniors eating oats had better grip and walking speed. Quick fact, oats have unique antioxidants called avenanthramides that cut inflammation. Blend them into smoothies or bake them. Versatile, affordable, and kind to your tummy. Here's a side story. My aunt swore by overnight oats during her recovery from a hip issue. Kept her energized without the heaviness. Number 6, millet. Overlooked, totally. But this one's a stealth fighter for muscles and bones. Low glycemic index means stable blood sugar. No energy dips or fall risks. Rich in magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, the trio that keeps contractions smooth and bones dense. A WHO-supported study in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition found millet eaters preserve more muscle and move better. Antioxidants in there fight inflammation too. Cook it like rice or porridge it up. Nutty flavor, gluten-free. Surprise! In parts of Africa, millet's been fueling folks for centuries. Now it's your turn. Halfway there, and we're getting stronger. 5. Sorghum. Gluten-free powerhouse with resistant starch and polyphenols. These tame inflammation, fix gut health, balance sugar, key culprits in sarcopenia. Mayo Clinic Research and Nutrients Journal. Seniors boosted muscle performance 30% in 8 weeks, reversing 2 years of decline. No extra exercise needed. That's wild. It pops like popcorn for snacks, or grinds into flour. Hearty taste, total win. Now, 4. Quinoa. Tiny seed, massive impact. Complete protein, all 9 aminos, especially lysine for repair. Harvard studies show it ups protein synthesis by 15%, cuts soreness 20%, iron for oxygen, magnesium for relaxation. Cooks quick, tastes nutty. Soups, salads, you name it. I added it to my routine last year. Felt the difference in my hikes. No more achy aftermath. Buckle up for number 3. Teff. That's T-E-F-F from Ethiopia. Warrior's fuel for ages. Iron for oxygen, calcium for contractions, lysine for regeneration. Resistant starch? Check. A clinical nutrition ESPEN study, aligned with WHO, revealed 30% more mitochondrial power plants in muscles after 3 weekly meals. More endurance, no gym. But here's the shock. Cook it wrong, like overboiling, and you lose nutrients, tanking recovery. Simmer gently instead. Make injera, flatbread, or porridge. Sweet earth flavor, gut-friendly. Trust me, you'll want to try this. Story time. Meet Sarah, 68, a former teacher. Stairs were her enemy, knees wobbly, energy gone. She swapped rice for teff twice a week, per her doctor's nod. Month 1. Less fatigue. By 3. Climbing without huffing, even joined a walking group. It's like my body woke up, she said. Teff gave her that edge. 2. Amaranth. Another seed grain hybrid. Lysine-rich protein, plus squalene for oxygen efficiency and fatigue busting. Journal of Food Biochemistry via Harvard ties. 25% strength gain, inflammation drop in 2 months. Magnesium, potassium for heart and circulation. Pop it, porridge it. Gluten-free gem. And the top spot? Fonio. Tiny African grain. Massive punch. Methionine and cysteine for glutathione, the antioxidant shield against muscle damage. Iron, B vitamins for flow and recovery. Frontiers in Nutrition study, Mayo endorsed. 25% muscle increase, 40% endurance boost in 6 weeks. No extra workouts. Cooks in 5 minutes, faster than pasta. Mild nutty taste for anything. Another real tale. John, 75, golfer turned couch sitter. Sarcopenia hit hard. Clubs too heavy. He tried Fonio and salads weekly. Weeks later, swings smoother, walks longer. Back on the green, he beamed. Simple change, big life shift. So there you have it. These grains aren't magic, but they're close, fueling cells, rebuilding strength, keeping you independent. Muscle loss, not inevitable. Your body's resilient. Start small, add 1 this week. Imagine chasing grandkids, stairs no sweat, confidence soaring. If this resonated, like and comment below. What grain will you try? Thanks for watching. See you next time, where we'll mix these with vitamins for even faster gains. Stay strong.